Many people have asked me how I made the F16 formation. The small F16s are chuck gliders. I got mine from Hobby King maybe 10 years ago, and I have put them together with carbon fiber rods, 3mm, and this one in the middle is 4mm. In the front I have a 850 milliamp 3-cell battery and a 20 amp ESC and a small receiver, and I use 5 grams servos. Center of gravity is right under here, under the rod, and the steering setup is elevator and ailerons, and at the outside I needed to put on some cheating area to get better steering, also on the rudder. So this is pretty much all. There is no plan for it.